In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video to your Mailerlite email. We'll walk through this together from start to finish. So by the end, you'll know exactly how to embed a video preview in your email using Mailerlite's drag and drop editor. First, log into your Mailerlite account and start a new campaign, just like you normally would when creating a newsletter or promotional email. Once you've named your campaign and chosen your basic settings, move into the content stage and open the drag and drop editor. This is where you'll build your email layout, and it's where we'll be working for the rest of this tutorial. On the left-hand side of the editor, you'll see a sidebar with different elements you can add to your email, such as text, images, and buttons. Look for the section called Elements. Inside that list, you'll find an option labeled Video. Click and drag that video block onto your email layout and drop it exactly where you want the video preview to appear. You can always move it later, so don't worry too much about getting it perfect on the first try. Next, click on the video block you just added. When you select it, the settings panel on the right-hand side of the screen will update to show options specifically for that video. You'll see a field where you can paste your video URL. This should be a share link from a supported platform like YouTube or Vimeo. Go to your video on that platform, copy the share URL, then come back to Mailerlite and paste it into the URL field. After you've pasted the link, look for the green arrow or return icon next to the URL field. Click that icon to confirm your link and let Mailerlite fetch the video preview. In a few moments, you should see a thumbnail image or preview of your video appear right inside the email editor. If nothing shows up, double-check that you copied the full share URL and that the video is public or accessible. Once your video preview appears, you can customize how it looks. In the settings panel, you'll have options to display it as a static image or as a GIF-style preview, depending on what's available and what fits your brand. Take a moment to adjust the size, alignment, and overall style so it matches the rest of your email design. When you're happy with the layout, you're done. Your email now includes a clickable video preview that will send subscribers to your video when they tap or click it.